Hi, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your voice louder on Discord, step by step. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just chatting with friends, these simple steps will help you boost your microphone volume and ensure you're heard loud and clear. Let's get started. Step 1. To begin, launch the Discord application on your desktop. Look for the Discord icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and give it a click. If you don't have the app installed, no worries. You can also access Discord directly through your browser by visiting the Discord website. Step 2. Once Discord is open, head over to the user settings. You'll find a small gear icon at the bottom of the interface, right next to your username. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the settings menu. Step 3. Inside the user settings, you'll see several tabs on the left side of the screen. Look for the one labeled Voice and Video and click on it. This will take you to the voice and video settings, where you can adjust your microphone volume and other audio settings. Step 4. Now scroll down until you find the Input Volume slider. This controls how loud your microphone sounds to others. If your voice is too quiet, simply drag the slider to the right to increase the volume. You can test your microphone by speaking into it and checking the input level indicator. Adjust the slider until your voice is clear and loud enough for your needs. And that's it. You've successfully made your voice louder on Discord. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.